So how do you think computer vision has changed over the past, say, 3 to 5 years?
So the traditional approach of making computer vision algorithms, just like any other algorithm, was a rules-based approach where you write the rules to identify a cat, for example. You have to literally code the features of a cat in logic form. And that was very difficult. You eventually had something called the problem of combinatorics, to where when you write enough rules, they start to conflict with each other. About 5 years ago, deep learning started to become very prevalent and much easier to use. For one, there's a lot more data. We live our lives online. Two, GPUs have become cheaper. There's been some great new frameworks that make the task of training these models much easier. So computer vision has moved to machine learning and deep learning from a rules-based approach, and that's made it much better and much easier to make and develop.